That's not you getting it wrong. That's what the harmonica does every time until you show it what you want. You already know how to breathe into the harmonica. The ha-ha, hoo-hoo taught you that. Now you just do one more thing, narrow the window. So this is the ha-ha, hoo-hoo. And then we just have to narrow this down. It's the same breath, it's the same whisper, but the lips end up being slightly pursed or puckered. It's like blowing a hot cup of tea to cool it. Can you imagine blowing a feather across a table? Very slow, strong, slow, delicate breath. Not tight, not tense, soft, focused, controlled. Same engine as before, we're just pointing it at one hole instead of three. Try. So let's start with hole 4, draw. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this, you could argue, is the blues note. It's what Sonny Boy Williamson played a lot. It's what Little Walter played a lot. And now it's what you are going to play a lot. 4, draw. Once you've got that, I'm going to give you 3 more notes. And we'll have a little blues riff, nice and easy. So 4, draw. 5, blow. 5, draw. Back to 5, blow. So it's 4, draw. 5, blow. 5, draw. 5, blow. Now we can do it with the same rhythm as ha ha hoo hoo. Now the single notes. Or swing on the normal harmonica. You know, after 40 years playing harmonica, that's the note that I come back to when I'm playing blues. Every single time, hole 4, draw, that's the one. Okay, now we're going to take the ha ha hoo hoo rhythm, but I'm going to change it slightly. So instead of like in, out, out, I'm going to go in, out, in. So it's in, out, in. So I'm saying ha 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 hoo hoo, something like that. So it's just a modification of what you already know. And this is a really nice blues lick. Do you recognise what it is? Do you know what that lick is? Do you recognise it? If you put it into the comments below, I'll tell you if you're right or not. Now let's move that riff, da 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 da. Let's move it to single notes. We've got 3 blow, 4 blow, 3 draw, 3 blow. I'll say that again. 3 blow, 4 blow, 3 draw, 3 blow. So the first two are 3 blow, 4 blow. And I just slide up from one to the other. One breath. 3 draw, 3 blow. Change of breath, same hole. So this is a very easy transition. 2, 3. 2, 3. Do you hear it? That's the blues phrase. No bending, no tricks, just the notes that we're learning, these single notes, and a modified rhythm that you already know. So that's it really. Breathing, rhythm, timing. This, we've added single notes, which we've just done there, and your musical alphabet. Like do-da, 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 do-da. That last video was the ground. This is the first wall. Next time, I'll show you your first real tune. One you'll recognise, using exactly this, nothing else, just what you've done today.